What if one of nature's strongest materials could become a luxury masterpiece? Today, we're taking you inside one of the world's most advanced horn manufacturing factories.
At sunrise, white Brahman bulls graze peacefully on a ranch surrounded by lush forest.
A specialized livestock transport vehicle arrives for scheduled collection. Every step is carefully managed to ensure safe animal handling. Modern livestock handling systems reduce stress during transportation. The selected animals are transported under controlled conditions. The journey continues to the manufacturing facility. Every shipment is fully traceable. The manufacturing process now begins. Every shipment undergoes inspection.
Each raw material is inspected before production. Only premium-grade materials continue.
Deep cleaning removes natural residue. The material is prepared for precision manufacturing.
The cleaned horn is thoroughly dried before machining. Controlled heat protects the horn's natural structure. Each horn is graded for quality and size. Only premium pieces continue into production. Precision cutting removes unwanted sections. Each cut prepares the horn for shaping. Controlled steam softens the horn safely. This prepares it for reshaping. Hydraulic pressure reshapes the softened horn. Flat panels create versatile raw material. Cooling locks the horn into its new shape. Every sheet is inspected before machining. Computer-guided layouts maximize every sheet. Precision reduces waste. Individual product blanks are precisely cut. Every shape matches digital specifications. Edge refinement improves accuracy and safety. Each component receives careful finishing. Grinding creates perfectly even surfaces. The horn's natural beauty starts to appear. Polishing reveals the horn's natural shine. Every surface is carefully refined. Every component must meet strict quality standards. Approved materials continue to luxury product manufacturing. The polished horn sheet enters precision CNC machining. Each comb begins with micron-level accuracy. Every tooth is precisely machined. Uniform spacing ensures smooth performance. Skilled artisans perfect every detail. Hand finishing creates exceptional quality. The horn's natural beauty shines through. A mirror finish highlights every pattern. Skilled artisans perfect every detail. Hand finishing creates exceptional quality.
Every luxury comb passes strict inspection. Only flawless pieces are approved.
The same premium horn becomes luxury knife handles. Computer-guided cutting ensures consistency. Precision drilling prepares the handles. Every hole aligns perfectly. Smooth contours improve comfort. Each handle is carefully refined.
Polishing reveals the horn's elegance. Every handle gains a premium finish. Every handle is measured and inspected. Only premium pieces continue. Small horn pieces become luxury buttons. Precision punching minimizes waste. Each button receives precise sewing holes. Accuracy is essential. Thousands of buttons are polished together. The natural horn pattern remains unique. Every button is automatically sorted. Only matching sets move forward. Premium leather now joins the polished horn. The next stage combines both materials into luxury products. Premium leather is digitally cut for maximum precision. Every panel matches exact production specifications. Edge skiving creates smooth, professional seams.
Every leather panel is carefully prepared. Adhesive secures the panels before stitching. Perfect alignment ensures lasting strength.
Precision stitching forms the handbag body. Every seam is sewn for durability. The polished horn becomes an elegant handbag handle. Premium materials are carefully combined. The horn's natural beauty shines through. A mirror finish highlights every pattern. Luxury hardware completes the handbag structure. Every component is precisely fitted.
Careful shaping creates the handbag's signature form. Every detail is refined by hand.
Leather and horn receive their final finish. The natural materials reveal their luxury appearance. Every luxury handbag undergoes a detailed inspection. Only flawless products earn approval. Every finished handbag is packaged with exceptional care, now ready to begin its journey to customers worldwide. Premium leather is precision cut into luxury belt straps. Every cut follows exact digital measurements. Smooth edges create a refined luxury finish. Every belt is carefully prepared for assembly. Premium horn is transformed into elegant buckle components. Precision machining preserves the horn's natural beauty. Careful polishing reveals the horn's natural patterns. Each buckle gains a premium shine.
Premium leather meets handcrafted horn details. The luxury belt takes its final shape.
Each luxury belt is tested for perfect craftsmanship. Only approved products continue. Luxury wallets begin with precision-cut leather. Horn accents add a distinctive premium touch. Precision stitching creates strong, elegant wallets. Every seam is carefully monitored. Elegant horn details complete the wallet design. Every accent is carefully positioned. Every wallet is checked by skilled inspectors. Luxury quality is maintained throughout.
Natural horn becomes elegant wearable art. Every pendant is cut with precision.
Fine engraving enhances every unique pendant. The natural horn grain remains visible. A brilliant polish highlights every engraved detail. Each pendant becomes one of a kind. Premium leather cords complete the pendant. The accessory is ready for inspection. The factory's luxury collection is now complete. Every piece is inspected before worldwide distribution. Every luxury product receives a final hand cleaning. The natural horn and leather are presented at their finest. Protective wrapping preserves every polished surface. Each item is prepared for safe transport. Every product receives complete traceability. Quality certificates accompany each package. Luxury products are packed for international shipping. Protective packaging minimizes transport risk. Automated palletizing improves shipping efficiency. Every shipment is securely prepared. Protective wrapping secures every shipment. Products are ready for warehouse storage. Finished products are stored in a modern logistics center. Digital inventory ensures complete traceability.
We need to prioritize the Argentinian shipment. The schedule moved up to Tuesday.
The finished collection is loaded for export. Secure loading protects every shipment.
The journey continues beyond the factory. Luxury craftsmanship begins its global adventure. The journey continues beyond the factory. Luxury craftsmanship begins its global adventure.
The finished collection reaches luxury retailers. Natural materials become timeless products. Every product carries a unique, natural pattern. Traditional craftsmanship meets modern technology. From ethically sourced materials to luxury craftsmanship, every step reflects precision and dedication. Nature, craftsmanship, and innovation come together in every piece.